Welcome to Super Easy Recipes. Today I'll be making Nasi Goreng, which is basically Indonesian fried rice, which is popular not only in Southeast Asia but all around the world. Now, if you've been following my dim sum series, you know that although it's easy to make, it does require a bit of preparation. So I wanted to make something truly super easy, which doesn't require soaking or marinating or any special ingredients. Now, as with all fried rice, there's no single right recipe. In fact, you usually cook it when you have lots of leftover ingredients, especially plain white rice. You can really just add anything to it, so it's very flexible. What distinguishes Nasi Goreng from classic Cantonese fried rice is firstly sweetness, which usually comes from sweet soy sauce or Kecap Manis, and secondly spiciness from chili sauce or Sambal. Now if you have those ingredients, then by all means use them, but I'll be using substitutes which most people already have in their cupboards. The key ingredients are cooked white rice, an egg for each person, chili, a clove of garlic, an onion, soy sauce, sugar, tomato puree, and hot paprika. For the meats, I'm going to use 2 chicken thighs and some prawns, but already cooked meats such as roast chicken or char work very well. For the vegetables, you can use virtually any vegetables in your fridge, but I'm just going to use a carrot, some mushrooms and some spinach. Start by combining a tablespoon of soy sauce with a teaspoon of sugar. Of course, if you have Kecap Manis, then use it. Add a tablespoon of tomato puree, together with a teaspoon of hot paprika, depending on how hot you like it. Again, if you have Sambal or some other chili sauce, then by all means use it. If you have oyster sauce in your cupboard, then it doesn't hurt to add a dash. Give it a good mix and it becomes like a paste. Then set it aside. Whatever vegetables you're using, chop them as finely as possible so that they cook evenly and quickly. Also dice your onion finely, as well as the chili. If you don't like it too hot, then remove the seeds. Crush or chop your garlic as well. As for the chicken thighs, I'm going to cut them as fine as possible as well. Now I usually like to marinate my meat for stir fry, and you can check out my stir fry playlist to see how I usually do it. But for this recipe, I did promise no soaking and no marinating. With the prep out of the way, you're ready to cook. Start by frying the egg, sunny side up. Set aside the egg, and in a little vegetable oil, fry the onions and garlic, together with the chopped chilies, until the onions are just tender. Then add the chicken and stir fry on a high heat until tender. Then add the prawns, which you can deshell or leave in their shells, together with your vegetables. Add your hard vegetables first. Then add your cooked rice. If you made the rice especially for this dish, then it's important that you let it cool first. Stir fry all the ingredients, and then add the paste that you made earlier, and stir fry everything for a few minutes. Finally, I'm going to add in the softer vegetables, which in this case is the spinach. And fry for a few minutes more. To serve the Nasi Goreng, place a few prawns or chicken in a bowl and top it with the rice and vegetable mixture. Then pat it down firmly and flip the bowl over onto a serving plate so that you have a nice round shape. Place a fried egg on top and garnish with a few chunky pieces of cucumber. Some people like a dash of chili sauce. And hey, if you're still watching this video, then do take a moment to like it and subscribe for more super easy recipes.